the things out. Watch me move one by one.
La la la. La la la. Hey bird, I'm going to use the restroom. Okay. Bye, mommy. Okay. Be good. I will. I'm so good. Okay. Oh, I got a new train. Thank you. I love my toys. I'm gonna take this and put it in here. Whee! Who are you? Hey. Mommy? Have you seen my mommy? Your mommy is dead. I have fun with that one, kid. Mommy's dead. Mommy, no. Mommy. Baby, why are you making such a fuss? Mommy, you're dead. Wait, you're not dead. Who told you I was dead? I'm not dead. I went to the bathroom like 1 minute ago and you're already crying? Well, this random lady came in here and she said, you kick her out! And she said that you did! You're dead! Baby, stop making such a fuss! And now you're over it now. I'm right in front of you. Why what if you're a ghost? I don't know. I'm not a ghost. I'm Mommy Bird. I'm wearing the exact same glasses as I was last time. No, you're not wearing them. Imposter! We're not playing Among Us, Baby Bird. That's exactly what I wanted to do. Thanks, Mommy. No, Baby Bird, we're not playing that. This playroom is so clean. I need to get my glasses back on. Hold on. This playroom is so clean, isn't it, Mommy? No, it's very messy. You're dead again. I miss you, Mommy. I miss you. Baby, why are you whining again? Nothing happened. Okay, Baby, I'll lock the doors. It's fine. I don't know, but I'm scared. Mommy, I'm bored. Can I have the whole class over? No, Baby, it's quarantine. You can't go out. But maybe I can invite 3 of your friends over. No, I do that. Baby, don't invite Jimmy, Timmy, or Declan. What about all 3? How would that be? What? That okay if they're over here. They're not like they meet people. They're really nice. Last time, remember when we were, seeing Santa, then Declan came up to you and beat you up that was just an accident. But, no, baby! Mommy, you be the dolly and I be the shopping cart. I don't want to be anything. I just want to ride the train. Okay, I'll be your bear. Thank you. Mommy, you hear that? My best friend! Okay, yes, we're going to answer them. Oh, hi, Lily. That's so nice. Hi there. Come inside. Hi. How are you doing? Just come inside. Okay. Go around on your train. Hi, baby bird. Hi, baby bird. Hi, Lily. How you do? I good. Oh, Baby Bird, you picked such a nice friend. This is going to be a great play date. Yeah, it sure is. Okay, I'm going to do my homework. Here you go, Lily. You can be this one. You know I'm not playing anymore, right? Oh. The others are here! Okay. Wait, others? Hey! Oh, no! Jimmy and Timmy with me. Baby Bird! Hi, Mommy. Is something wrong? Oh my gosh, you weren't supposed to invite Jimmy and Timmy over. Oh, they're gonna be fine. When have they ever done anything wrong, Mommy? Jimmy, they've done lots of things wrong. I wonder how many buttons I can press. Beep, 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 beep. No, what are you doing, little monkey? What are you doing? Hey! That was so funny. That's not very light. Don't look at my underwear, please. Mommy, why are your underwear in the playroom? It's not supposed to be. Well, why is there a closet in the playroom, huh? Oh, that's where all the toys go. But when have we ever cleaned up? Not last year. I'm scared. I'm just gonna hide. No, Lily. Do you want me to give you a nice... Hey, Lily! Hey! Lily just wanted to watch TV! Run, Yeah, I'm Timmy.
Oh, I forget.
But hi, Timmy. You like this party? Yeah.
Mommy?
Mommy, you're not dancing. What wrong?
This is not a very nice party. Lily is sad. Lily's face planting, and I can't even hear my lovely homework that I need to do, and I can't even hear the.
You don't have homework, Mommy. You just have to pay the bills.
Yes.
You don't need electricity.
Well, I need to pay I need to listen to this bumping music, and I can't.
Well, that sounds like a personal problem, Mommy.
And he even broke it, so now it's not stopping. But I really just wanted you to love me. I do love you, just not Timmy and Timmy.
Ooh. I wonder what the principal would have to say about that.
Yes, let's go.
Hey, look at this ugly doll. 2 baby bird from Grandma Bird. Hey. Mommy, it's broken.
Baby bird. Oh my goodness, baby bird. Timmy, you have to leave.
It broke into my favorite doll, Mommy.
Okay.
Dang it, but that's from Grandma Bird. And I can't even see her anymore because she lives in United States and it quarantined.
It's okay.
And also, baby bird, it's not called the United States. It's called the United States.
Mommy, I can't see. Who turned off the lights?
Timmy, get out of here right now. Sorry, I used my outside voice.
Mommy, I'm deaf.
No, you're not.
But I can't hear you.
You can have ice cream for dinner.
Yay, I want ice cream.
Yes. Yes, I will.
Hey, we're all in this together.
Now, Timmy and Timmy, I have enough of you. Go home. That's a very nice train you made there.
Whee! Just fun. Let's hope nothing else gets broken.
Yeah, hopefully not the train. Look at the ball. It's following the train. And she doesn't go up.
I'm the driver. I'm the best at driving.
Wait a minute. Who is that now?
Oh, the fourth friend is here.
What? This is a bad person. I can't do this.
Hey, Harold!
What? Who is this? Right here.
Well, Mommy, I find this guy under a bridge.
Wait, is this the clown?
No, Mommy, did he look like a clown? He was so sad. He was trying to heat up his cereal with a lighter.
But hey, come on, buddy, let's have a party! Whee! Who is this old man? Stranger!
You got any beer?
No, we don't drink.
You're cute. Come here.
No. I do have a boyfriend, but I don't want you. And
Come on, kids, let's play.
This is in the future. Help! We need help. We need extra help.
So tell me the whole story. This time I'm interested.
Really? Into me?
Tell me your story.
Okay. Okay. So we would invite some friends, and then it went crazy, and then an old man came inside. And now, I don't know where the kids are.
Hey, you! Oh no, it's the police. Hold on. Do you know this man?
Yeah, this is the man that
If you even try to hurt my mommy or my baby bird, I swear you're in big trouble. You're like my best friend, girl.
Really?
Yeah, now let's get this old bum out of here. Come on. Yeah. The kids! I'll kick down the door.
Help me! Favorite still on!
Hi, Mommy. Help. The old man said we playing hide and seek.
No, this is not hide and seek. This is the horror game of hide and seek. This is the definition of hide and seek.
Well, this has been fun.
Hiding and never coming out.
I'll see you all later.
Can you kiss me? I mean, goodbye.
Bye.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, that was the best play day ever. I can't wait to do it again tomorrow.
No!